Mathematical derivation of rate equation for first order reaction. Let us consider the following reaction which is of first order. You have to derive the equation by listening to the audio. After that, just see that what you derived is correct. A giving product. A is a reactant. Suppose the initial concentration of A is A0. Let the concentration of A after a time interval T B is equal to concentration A. Since the reaction is of first order, the rate of reaction, what we studied earlier, instantaneous rate of reaction, you know how to write it. Therefore, since it is a reactant and it decreases its concentration, we have to write minus d by dt of concentration A at time t. And it must be proportional to the concentration of A at that time. This is the rate of reaction. That is directly proportional to the concentration of A. Thus, we get an equation like this. Minus dA by dt, that is the rate of reaction, is directly proportional to the concentration of A. Equation number 1. This can be modified by replacing the proportionality by means of a constant. Minus d by dt of concentration A is equal to constant K into concentration A. Equation number 2, where K is the rate constant of the given reaction. This equation can be written as, or it can be modified by bringing this concentration A to the left hand side and dt to the right hand side. Thereby the equation is minus dA by concentration A is equal to K into dt. Equation number 3. Now we have to integrate this equation. On integration of left hand side and the right hand side, you will get minus log to the base E concentration of A. That is answer for the d by dt of d by concentration of A by A. That is log to the base minus log to the base E concentration of A is equal to Kt. That is the integral value of dt is equal to t plus I, where I is the constant of integration. Its value can be determined from the initial conditions. If concentration A0 is the concentration of A at the start of the reaction, when T is equal to 0, the concentration of A means concentration A0. When T is equal to 0, the equation 5 can be written as that A becomes A0, concentration A0, and T is equal to 0. Substituting the values, we get minus log to the base E concentration of A0 is equal to I, where I is known as a constant of integration. Therefore, we got the value of I is equal to minus log to the base E concentration A0. Substituting the value of I in the equation number 5, that means we are going to substitute this value of I. Minus log to the base E concentration A is equal to Kt plus minus log to the base E A0, concentration A0. On rearranging, that means on multiplying with minus the whole equation, this minus is removed, that is log to the base E concentration A is equal to minus Kt. That means this is the only value that is having a plus sign, that becomes minus, plus log to the base E concentration of A0. Now bring that A0 and A to this side, so that on rearranging, log to the base E concentration A minus log to the base E concentration A0 is equal to minus Kt. Or minus log to the base E A0 can be written like this. That is log to the base E concentration of A by A0 is equal to minus KT. Or that is, this is equation number 7. This equation is known as number 7. And this equation can be modified into this form also. That is, concentration of A by concentration of A0 is equal to E raised to the power of minus KT. Or concentration of A is equal to concentration of A0 into E raised to the power minus KT. That is equation number 8. Derive the equation by yourself and see that whether you are getting the answer. Equation 8 shows the first order reaction is an exponential process and the concentration of A decreases exponentially with time. This fill in the blank questions can be asked from this line. Equation 7 can also be written as, equation 7 means this is actually the first order reaction. Log to the base E A by A0 is equal to minus KT. We are modifying by putting the value log to the base 10 and 2.303. That is a modification. Equation 7 can also be written as K is equal to minus 1 by T log to the base A concentration of A by concentration A0. Or K is equal to 1 by T. This minus sign is utilized for bringing this A0 as a numerator. That is 1 by T log to the base E concentration of A0 by concentration of A. Or K is equal to 2.303 by T log to the base 10. That is multiplying with 2.303. You are converting the log to the base E to log to the base 10. Log to the base 10 concentration of A0 by concentration of A. This is the 9th equation. This is the equation normally used for solving the problems based on the first order reactions. Equation 9 represents the rate equation for the first order reaction. In the syllabus it is clearly mentioned, derive the rate equation for the first order reaction. In that case, you should write this equation number 9. That is the equation for the first order reaction, and it may be used for the determination of the value of rate constant. This equation can be used for the determination of rate constant or the time or the initial concentration or the final concentration after a time t, depending upon one of the all the other values except one is given, so that this equation is useful in solving the problem. That is, here alternatively there is another form. This equation can be modified into another form which is easy to solve the numericals or the assignments. Alternatively, if concentration A0 and K are known, the equation may be used for the determination of the concentration of A. That means if these two values are given, you can determine the concentration of A. Anyway, the question can be asked. Based on this first order equation, sometimes they will ask you to determine K. Sometimes they will ask you to determine T. Sometimes they will ask you to determine the initial final concentration after a time T. Equation 9 can be expressed in another form also. If the concentration of A is A moles per liter and X moles of its change into products during time interval T, we have concentration, initial concentration is equal to A moles per liter and concentration of A is equal to A minus X moles per liter. Substituting the values in the equation number 9, K is equal to 2.303 by T log to the base 10 A by A minus X. This is another form of first order equation. This is not the equation that you are supposed to write if they are asked derive the first order equation. This will help you to solve the problem. Here there are two assignments are given. You have to use this first order equation and find out the value and check the answer whether it is correct. The problem is a worked out problem in the textbook. Before doing it, don't refer the textbook. Try to apply the equation and do the assignment by yourself.